Hi, welcome to Feed Your Brother. My name is Kurt. I'm going to teach you some basic cooking skills, and this is started to help my older brother learn how to cook. And we're going to start with setting up a kitchen. One of my favorite tools to use is a pair of tongs. Very versatile. You can pick up stuff. You can stir. They're very useful. I use these. They have a locking mechanism to make them easy to store and smaller. The bigger ones, this brand is Edlund. They make a bigger one that I've actually used to pick up logs with and turn in the fireplace. Knives, there's a couple of basic knives that you can use. This chef knife or French knife is a traditional kitchen knife. It is really easy to use, also really easy to cut your finger off with. The Santuco, one of my favorites. It's a little bit easier to use, and the chopping motion is a lot more basic than a chef's knife. You will need a serrated knife. This helps get through some tougher cuts, along with bread. This helps cut the bread and not mush it down. Now, other things you're going to need is a spatula, preferably a high heat spatula. That's what the red handle's for. It won't melt to your pans when you're working with eggs or anything else or a sauce. Another basic setup is a whisk. This is my small whisk. I have several sizes, but this is a basic starter whisk that you'll need when making sauces. There are a lot of different measuring tools to use. You can get the Clanky, all of these metal measuring cups, which every mom has in their kitchen, and dad. I prefer to get the clear measuring pitcher. They come in different sizes. It's a 2-cup. Much easier to use. You can see how much you've got. It doesn't slosh around and spill out on the counter. Measuring spoons, all different shapes and sizes, but what you need is one that's more rounded like this. You got some ones that look like they're scooped out, scallop shells. Not always accurate, and you always spill it when you're working with it. A meat thermometer is very important when cooking. You gotta know what temperature you're cooking stuff at. When you're dealing with certain meats, you gotta get it to a safe temperature. Really have to get one of these. Basic starter kitchen, a can opener. May sound silly, but when you're first in college, get out of college, get in your first kitchen, you buy soup and you can't open the can. I get a can opener. Then we get a little more advanced. 2-quart stock pot or soup pot. You can make ramen and mac and cheese in this. Grandma's cast iron skillet, dig it out of the garage. We'll cover how to clean it, how to take care of it, and how to season it. Non-stick saute pan. You're going to want to cook some eggs for breakfast. You're going to need a metal spoon and a non-metal spoon. Of course, you're going to need a grater someday. I pulled an old one out. I have different types of graters. This one was in storage. Basic grater. Last but not least, get a hot pad. Keep yourself from burning your fingers. And then this is a pie tin. I just use it to put stuff on when I'm working in the kitchen. It's a little bit easier to clean up. Those are your basic tools. I'll put some links below. You can go to Amazon and buy them so you can figure out what you want to get. If you have any questions or comments, also leave those below. Again, my name is Kurt. This is Feed Your Brother. Please subscribe and like if you like the video. Thank you.